Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. So click the start. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So open the Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. Click the launch. So open the Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. Total questions 21 and we move to the question number 1. Freeze the top row of the worksheet. So freeze the top row of the worksheets. Go to the view tabs and go to the window groups and click the freeze paint and freeze the top row. And next is unfreeze the top row. So go to the view tabs and go to the window groups and click the unfreeze the top row. And next is click the cell B4 and freeze the pen above and left of the active cell. So select the B4, press centers and freeze the pen above the and left of the active cell. So go to the view tabs, go to the window groups and click the freeze pen. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is display the worksheet in the page break preview. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the view tabs and display the page break preview. Click the page break preview and next is insert the page break between the row 39 to row 14. So row 39 to row 14. So insert the page break preview. So insert the page break preview in row 39. So move and drag the row 39 to 14 and release the leftmost buttons. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is set the range is G3 to G12. So copy the range A3 to G12 and press enters and set the print area. So go to the page layout tabs, go to the page setup groups and click the set the print area and next is change the scaling to 90%. So scaling is to 90%, press enters and next is clear the print area. So go to the page show tabs and go to the page setup groups and click the clear the print area. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is select the row 1 to 3 title to repeat on each page. So select the row 1 to 3 and repeat the row on each page. So go to the page layout tabs and go to the page setup groups, click the print titles and row to repeat at the top is row 1 to row 3. Row 1 to row 3, click OK. And next is select the column A. As the title repeats on each pages, look at the first 3 pages in the print preview and then print the workbook. So select the column A. As the title 2 repeats on each page, look at the first 3 pages in the print preview and then print the worksheet. So select the column A and go to the paleo tabs and go to the page setup groups. Click the print titles and select the column to repeat left column. Select the column A and click the print preview. Print preview and first 3 pages on the print preview and then print the worksheets. Select the 3 worksheets and click the print. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, with the cell A3 selected, create the table from the existing data except the default setting. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the tables and click OK. And next is on the table design in the property groups, click the table name and type the downloads and Imperium and then press enter. So go to the table design tabs and go to the property groups, click the table name box, type the download Imperium and press enter. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, delete the writer table column from the table only, do not delete the column B. So delete the writers table. So select the writer table columns and delete the writer table column from the table only. So go to the home tabs and go to the table editing groups, cell groups, and click the delete table columns. Click OK. And next is type the donation in cell I3. So select the I3 and type the donation. Press enter. And next is type the profit in cell I3. So select the I3 and type the profit and press enter. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, add a new table row on row 13. Add the new table row on row 13. Row on 13. Select the row on 13. Right click and click the insert. So insert the new row and type the pi in the Sakai in cell A13 and type the PG in cell B13. Press tabs automatically. So select the A13 and type the pi in the Sakai and press tab buttons. And next is in cell B13 PG and press tab button. So select the B13, type the PG and press tab button. Next is garbage man in cell A59 and type the R in cell B59, press tab button. So select the A59, press enter, and next is type to the garbage man and press tab buttons. And next is type R type R in cell B59. So select the B59 and type R, press tab button. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is remove the duplicate records in the table accept the default setting in the remove a duplicate dialog box. So go to the table design tabs and go to the tool groups and click the remove duplicate records. Click OK. 2 duplicate value found and remove the 54 unique value remains. Click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is apply the red table style medium 10 third style on the second row in the medium section to the tables. So select the tables and apply the red table style medium 10. So go to the table design tabs and go to the table style groups and click the red table style medium 10. So select the red table style light 10 and rows table styles light 17. Apply the red table style medium 10. So find the red table style medium 10. Red table style medium 3 third style in the second row. Click the red table style medium 10. Click OK. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is in cell H4 calculate the donation amounts multiplied by streaming revenue amounts by the percentage in cell I1 use the absolute cell reference as the needed rate. So select the H4, press enter and calculate the donation amount and donation amount by multiplying the streaming revenue amounts by the percentage in cell I1. Type is equal to and in cell H4 calculate the donation amount multiplying the streaming revenue by the percentage in cell I1. Multiply by cell I1s and using the absolute cell reference press 4 buttons. Donation amount multiplying the streaming revenue amounts by the percentage in cell I1s and using the absolute cell reference press enter. Next is in cell I4 calculate the profits by the subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue in cell I4. So select the I4 and next is in cell I4 calculate the profit by subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. So type is equal to in cell I4 and subtracting the donations from the streaming revenue. So select the donation streaming revenue and press enter. Profit by the subtracting the donation from the streaming revenue. So type is equal to and select the streaming revenue minus donation and press enter. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is show the Totoro. So go to the table design tabs and click the Totoro, and next is select the sum function for the donation and profit column. So select the sum function for the donation and profit column. So select the donation and profit column. So insert the sum function in the donation and profit column. Select the donation column. Select the donation columns and select the sum function. Click the sum function. So question 11 is complete. So last question is added the conditional formatting rule for the range A4 to A57 by also applying the yellow background fill color fourth column last row. So question number 21 is type the A4 to A57, press enter. So select the range A4 to A57 and added the conditional formatting. So go to the home tabs and go to the table groups, click the conditional formatting, click the manage rule, and so select the added rule is the formats, and click the fill colors is the yellow, applying the yellow backgrounds fill color, the fourth column last colors, yellow colors, yellow background fill color fourth column last color, and click OK, and again OK, click OK. So please click OK to submit the assignments. So I have done the assignments. Click OK, upload the assignment and check the score is Excel chapter 4 simulation exam is current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the score is 100% Excel chapter 4 simulation exam.